Good afternoon. Very good afternoon. Please have a seat. So, how are you? All fine. All right. All right. All right. Okay. So, Jain. So, should we start the class? Okay. All right. So, what I taught you in the last class? Did you remember? Introductions or interrogative. Interrogative of present perfect continuous, past perfect continuous, and future perfect continuous, right? So, okay, okay, all right. So now it's time to practice. Okay. So you have completed your all tenses. Now you have to practice only. Then after you will study the special tenses, special types of tenses, extra uses of tenses. You will study after practicing of this one. If you complete practice, then I will start your extra uses of tense, special tenses. Lots of things are left behind. Then after you will speak properly. Okay. So 20 days classes were that was only the basic class. Okay. Basic things you all must know. What did you throw? Huh? What did you throw? What did you throw? What was that? Huh? Paper? Okay. Don't do like that. Okay, so it's already date mentioned. 8th May. Okay. 40th class, na? 40th class. You have completed your 40th class. 40. And 20 days things are it's 18 classes, na? Okay, 2 days are still left for your practice. Okay, so who will practice? You have to practice. Only you have to practice. You learn your all verb forms, means action words. Go and turn your pages and find the structures of present tense, past tense, and future tense. That will help you in for learning the extra uses of tenses. Okay, so something is left behind that I need to teach you. So listen, few of the sentences. Suppose you are standing over here, or you are in the class. Okay, and somebody is outside, and you think this boy shouldn't have in the classroom. Okay, so you have to say, stop waiting. Okay, stop waiting, stop standing. Sorry, keep standing, keep waiting. Right, wait करते रहो, खड़े रहो. If I am outside, okay, and you guys are writing something, and I will say, keep practicing, keep writing, okay, keep studying, okay. If you are fighting, okay, suppose if you are fighting, 2 or 3 students are fighting together, okay, and suddenly I saw, then I'll say, what will I say? Hey, stop fighting, right? Stop fighting, stop watching television, right? Stop staring me, right? Stop writing, okay. Stop walking, stop dancing. If you are doing something, if somebody is doing something and you have to stop them, then you will say stop and then verb plus ing. Okay? Stop waiting, stop writing, stop calling me, stop chatting me. Okay, stop sending me messages. Right? Okay. So these are the sentences that you have to study today. Okay. Sentences. Few daily uses sentences. Okay. Listen. कोई काम करते रहो, कोई काम करते रहो, then you have to use, listen, कोई काम करते रहो, okay, action should be anything, action should be anything, okay, so rule is P plus V4 plus object only, key plus V4 plus object, okay. Listen, suppose खेलते रहो, what did I say? खेलते रहो, nothing, just write keep, what will you write? Keep, खेलना in English, play, just play an ing, keep playing, keep playing, खेलते रहो, keep playing, खेलते रहो, पढ़ते रहो, keep studying, लिखते रहो, keep writing, बोलते रहो, keep speaking, बात करते रहो, झगड़ते रहो, fighting, टहलते रहो, keep walking, दौड़ते रहो, तैरते रहो, keep swimming. Oh, these are the basic sentences that you have to use. Okay, write it. Listen, one more sentence. टीवी देखते रहो, yes, some object should be in the last, keep watching TV, keep watching TV, keep cycling, साइकिल चलाते रहो, keep riding a bicycle, साइकिल चलाते रहो, right, keep riding a bike, बाइक चलाते रहो, keep talking, बात करते रहो, don't cut the call, okay, keep talking, keep in touch, मेरे टच में रहो. So टीवी देखते रहो, keep watching. I am telling you some sentences in Hindi, you have to tell me in English, okay? खेलते रहो, repeat it, देखते टीवी देखते रहो, मुझे घूरते रहो, keep staring me, पढ़ते रहो, लिखते रहो, नाचते रहो, गाते रहो, सिंगिंग, है ना, keep singing, पढ़ाते रहो, keep teaching, इसको बोलने का तरीका सीख लो, keep नहीं, this is not keep, this is keep teaching, okay, and खाते रहो, keep eating, अपना ब्रेकफास्ट लेते रहो, keep taking your breakfast, keep taking ing, taking your breakfast, अपना लंच लेते रहो, keep taking your lunch, अपना डिनर लेते रहो, okay, बैठे रहो, keep sitting, खड़े रहो, वेट करते रहो, okay, done?
Yes, sir.
Easy?
Yes, sir.
Okay. मत खेलते रहो, डोंट कीप प्लेइंग, बस वहां पे यूज क्या कर देंगे, इससे पहले डोंट यूज कर देंगे, मत खेलते रहो, डोंट कीप प्लेइंग, मत पढ़ते रहो, डोंट कीप स्टडिंग, okay, but generally we use in the positive sentence, okay, these are the sentences is only are generally used in positive sentences. Read it all, and wait. Listen, hey, my dear lovely students, बंद करो, कोई काम बंद करो, कोई काम बंद करो. Okay, so this is the structure. Rule is that Rule, listen the rule, listen the rule. Stop plus V4 plus object. But stop, listen. खेलना, stop playing, stop क्रिकेट खेलना बंद करो, stop playing cricket. टीवी देखना बंद करो, stop watching टीवी. गाना गाना बंद करो,
Stop singing.
singing a song, stop singing a song. खाना बंद करो, stop eating. पढ़ाना बंद करो,
Stop eating.
stop teaching. लिखना बंद करो, hey stop writing. Okay. मुझे घूरना बंद करो, stop staring me, staring me, right? Okay. कूदना बंद करो, stop jumping. Okay.
Yes, sir.
टहलना बंद करो, stop walking, right? सोना बंद करो, stop sleeping. Okay. बोलना बंद करो, stop speaking. बात करना बंद करो मेरे से, stop talking to me. Talking to me, right? Yeah, talking to me. Stop talking to Pooja. Yeah, Mr. Bhagat, stop talking to Pooja. Okay. And keep talking to Achal. Yes. Stop talking to Pooja and keep talking to Achal. Means पूजा से बात करना बंद करो, करते रहो. Keep continue, right? Okay. So these are the what happened? Hey, you stop laughing. Stop laughing. किसी को ऑर्डर दे सकते हो, यू कैन ऑर्डर. कैसे कहो, ए स्टॉप लाफिंग, स्टॉप लाफिंग कहते हैं ना. अब यू आर राइटिंग समथिंग, आई एम ऑल्सो राइटिंग, देन आई से हे स्टॉप राइटिंग, राइट आफ्टर मी, राइट आफ्टर मी, मेरे बाद, राइट.
Yes, sir.
ओके ओके. कीप स्टडिंग. You have to tell me in Hindi, okay? Keep singing. Stop running. Keep walking. Stop walking. Working, yeah. Stop working. काम करना बंद करो, काम करते रहो. Keep walking. देखो, both are the sentences. Both are the different sentences. काम करते रहो, काम करते रहो. Keep working. काम बंद करो. Stop walking. Two sentences. Listen. If somebody is coming and you are working something, you are working, okay? Then I'll say, okay, stop. Oh, sorry. Keep walking. And your boss comes, okay? And you are doing something else. Hey, stop walking. Everybody, stop walking. You guys are just wasting your time. Okay, write it all. Listen. The next is that कोई काम करने दो. Okay, कोई काम करने दो. The rule is that let plus object plus V1 plus object 2. Listen, let plus object 1 plus V4, sorry, not V4, only V1. V1 plus object 2. And what is object 1? What is object 2? Listen first. Listen. Hello, everybody. Listen. If you have to write, मुझे पढ़ने दो, right? मुझे खेलने दो, उसे जाने दो. He is getting late. उसे जाने दो, उसे खेलने दो, उसे पढ़ने दो, मुझे पढ़ने दो, हम लोगों को जाने दो. उन लोगों को खेलने दो, उन लोगों को सोचने दो, राइट। नयन को लिसन, सो वेट, मुझे यू नो, मुझे इन इंग्लिश, मुझे that is me, that is object one. There are the list of object one that you have to write first, then after I'll give you some sentences. Okay, first write it. मुझे, me, हमें, let us, तुम्हें, you, उसे, for male, him, उसे for female, that should be her, इन्हें, that should be it, उन्हें, here should be them, उन्हें या उन लोगों को, उन्हें, उन लोगों को, them, मुझे, हमें, तुम्हें, उसे, इन्हें, उन्हें, उन लोगों को. Yeah, there will be them. Okay, so I am rubbing it. May I rub this one?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Hey, my dear lovely students, please look at the board. Stop writing. Just you studied. Stop writing. Hello, I'm telling you, stop writing. Ma'am. Nayan saying, stop writing. Listen. Sentence is that. What happened? Why are you laughing? Did I say any joke? Then why are you laughing? Don't laugh. मुझे, किसे? मुझे पढ़ने दो, मुझे पढ़ने दो, कोई काम करने दो. Then you have to start the sentence with let. Okay, let. Object one, object two. Listen, object, this one object one. This is, all are object one. Object one. Okay, these are object two. What is the object two? मुझे खाना खाने दो, मुझे एप्पल खाने दो. Let me eat apple. So apple is the object two. Okay, मुझे खाने दो, me is that object one. Okay, listen. मुझे पढ़ने दो, मुझे, listen, मुझे ना, मुझे in that is me. So don't use me. First use let. मुझे पढ़ने दो. So start with let me. What? Let me. पढ़ना, study. Let me study. मुझे maths पढ़ने दो. There should be object two. Let me study. Study maths. मुझे English पढ़ने दो. Let me study English. उससे English पढ़ने दो. Let him. If there is boy, then use him. If there is a girl, then use her. Okay. So listen. Second sentence. उसे टीवी देखने दो. उसे ना, it's not clear there is a boy or a girl. It's not clear there is a boy or a girl. So I'm telling you the both sentences. Suppose there is a boy, then let him. उसे ना, let him. What? Watch. TV देखना.
Watch.
Action word is देखना. That is let him. WAT say watch. Let him watch a TV. Let him watch TV. Let him watch TV. Boy, if there is a girl, then let her. That's what should be? Let her watch TV. Correct?
Yes,
Listen. हमें लिखने दो. हमें use us. This is not use. This is us. How weak you English. हमें वहां जाने दो. हमें वहां जाने दो. Let Let us go. जाना. English verb. Verb. Object to. वहां जाने दो. There. There should be there. मुझे घर जाने दो. वो हमें घर जाने दो. Let us go home. हमें स्कूल जाने दो. Let us go school. हमें बाजार जाने दो. Let us go market. Let's go to the market. Let's go to the. Yeah. Of course you can. But there only use go. There. But market, go to the market. Let me go to the school. Let me go to the school. Go there. Go to the school. Go to the market. Go to school. Not there. Let me go to the school. No, go to. Let me go to school. Let us go to school. Go to school. Let us go to the market. Okay. Now practice. Listen. Listen, everybody. Hey, hello. Listen. मुझे पढ़ने दो. Let me study. मुझे लिखने दो. Let me write. मुझे खेलने दो. Let me play. सब में verb यूज करो. बस let me लगा के सबके मुझे यूज कर रहा हूं. पहले मैं सबके साथ क्या यूज कर रहा हूं? मुझे. So use let me and then verb. Okay. Let me then verb. मुझे लिखने दो. Let me. Is there ing? Is there ing? There is V1 only ना. Only write, not writing. Okay. मुझे लिखने दो. मुझे पढ़ने दो. मुझे जाने दो. Let me go. Right? Please let me go, sir. Please let me go. I'm getting late, sir. If you're going somewhere, I'm okay. I'm still. Hey, stop. Don't go. Sir, I'm getting late, so please go. Let me go, sir. I'm getting late. So this is the compulsion अपनी शो कर रहे हो ना. अपनी मजबूरी आपको जाना है और मैं आपको रोक के रखा हूं. नहीं, no, you can't go. No, sir. Let me go, sir. मुझे जाने दो, sir. Please, sir. I'm getting late, sir. मैं लेट हो रहा हूँ. I'm getting late for the school, sir. मैं स्कूल को लेट हो रहा हूँ. Right? Okay. मुझे रोने दो. Let me crying. Let me cry. Okay? Let me cry. मुझे सोने दो. Hey, so if someone called you. Hi, Bhagat. What's up? Please, brother. Let me sleep. I'm very sleepy. Let me sleep, please. Okay. So, मुझे दौड़ने दो. मुझे खाने दो. Let you guys are here for only hearing, only listening. Don't you have to speak? Huh? Why don't you try? Miss, and miss. Huh? You should to try, na? You must try. So repeat it. Repeat. What? Repeat. Listen. मुझे लड़ने दो. Let me fight. मुझे तैरने दो. मुझे गाने दो. ओ शुरूर हुजूर है ना. तेरा शुरूर. हा. Let me sing. मुझे डांस करने दो. Let me dance. Okay, dance. Wait. अब now you have to say with उसे ना. उसे खेलने दो. So use let and him. Let him and verb. उसे खाने दो. Let him eat. अब me के जगह पे यूज करो him. उसे खाने दो. Let him eat. उसे दौड़ने दो. Let him run. उसे सोने दो. Mama is there. Listen, Mama is there. And your brother is sleeping. You want to play? You just go to the room and say, hey, wake up. We have to play. Wake up. And Mama say, wait, Bhagat Singh. Let him sleep. Go outside. उसे सोने दो. तुम बाहर जाओ. उसे सोने दो. Let him sleep. उसे पढ़ने दो. Let him study. उसे लिखने दो. उसे तैरने दो. Where sleep. Swim. Let him swim. Very good. अब listen now. हमें या उन्हें जाने दो. उन्हें जैसे them. Let them. उन्हें जाने दो. Let them go. उन्हें स्कूल जाने दो. Let them go to school. उसे घर जाने दो. Go to home. Let to go to home. Okay, all right. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Easy?
Yes, sir.
Just you have to practice. Okay,
Yes, sir.
write it all.
ऐसे नहीं बोलते.
Say quiet, please. So, my dear lovely students, go and practice these all sentences to at your home.
Yes, yes.
Just stand in front of your mirror. Okay, do you have the mirror in your home?
Yes, sir.
No mirror. Okay, go to market and buy a mirror, a big mirror, and stand in front of the mirror and speak whatever you studied here. Okay, speak every day, practice every day. Just try every day, you will speak. If you try, you will speak. Yeah, yesterday I told you the same thing. If you try, you will speak. If you don't try, you will never speak. So keep practicing, means practice karte raho. Stay happy, stay healthy, and keep smiling always. Have a good day. Thank you. Okay.